Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert Notepad file into PDF document easy tutorial. So this is just a few easy steps and no extra software needed. So first is to open your Notepad file or your TXT file. So this is the file that you want to convert into a PDF. So as you can see, I have this open. Now click on file here onto the upper left and click on print. So you could use the shortcut key Control+P and then right after this, here on printer, choose this one, Microsoft Print to PDF. So this built-in feature lets you save any printable document as a PDF. Now just click on print in here and you'll be prompted to choose a location to save your PDF. So as you can see, we have that here. Let's save this on documents and let's name this PDF. And then right after, just simply click on save and you could go ahead and save already the notepad file as a PDF document. So you could open this anytime with a PDF viewer. So let's try to check here. And as you can see, we have the PDF file here. And if you open this is how it should go ahead and look like. And that is how easy you could go ahead and convert your Notepad file into a PDF document. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.